I have to do it. All right, Seoul Pub Crawl. All right, cheers.
Oh, again?
Of course. Let's take a shot of your shot. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Can we see it?
All right.
Nice.
It's looking all right.
Okay.
Are you not satisfied? Hey guys, I'm Jeremy. I'm taking the pictures tonight.
Hello, Jeremy. So I'm Jeremy.
Where are you guys from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, Norway.
Norway. I'm from France.
Yes.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys. Guys.
I'm doing it with strangers. It's okay. It's okay. Let's do it.
Nice Polaroid.
But that turned out so cute, right?
Yeah, it is. Do I have? Yeah, I got your sticker.
Wanna take a picture of my book?
Yeah.
Ah, wait.
1, 2, 3. Thank you guys. Oh,
You have to guess it, but I'm not German.
You from Europe though?
Yeah, but I'm not German. Because many people say I'm German, but I'm not.
Lithuanian?
No.
yep. Thank you. All right, everybody, are we ready or what?
Yeah! Okay.
All right.
3, 2, 1, Seoul Pub Crawl.
All right, Seoul Pub Crawl.
2, 1.
Are you ready? I have to do it. I'm the one who do it. You have to listen to it. All right, Seoul Pub Crawl. Are you there? 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys.
Il m'a pas trouvé. And guess where he's from as well.
First two?
Yeah.
Perfect lighting here.
Nasty. I have my best share.
Cheers. Cheers. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Oh yeah. One more. What?
I know, but especially against Saint Etienne. I watch those games.
Oh, really?
Brest versus Saint Etienne every year.
before.
She's so pretty, right?
In the other club. Like,
She's so pretty, right?
perfect. This guy got blue stickers, guys. It's really, really available.